Hi everybody, it's JC and his daughter Emily Rose.
I am Emily Rose.
We got some toys
Yeah.
today
Yeah.
for her. We're
My
gonna
name is
unbox. She's so excited. So we got one of these for her today. Check this out.
Do it now.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah, we got this one. Okay, so which one do you want to open first?
Ken
You want to
and
open
Barbie.
Ken and Barbie? We'll pick one.
I want to push these.
Hold on. Pick one you want to open first.
You get Ken, I get.
No, you're going to open all of them. Just pick one. Open her up.
We got her. Starting.
She got some of these cool little things. We don't even know what's in them. We just picked some out for her. And she got this one. And she got this one. She got like a few of them. And we got some clothes for the dolls. We got these.
Cut them off.
You open it like this, Emily.
Want help?
Alright, I'll help you. So we're opening up Barbie right now. She wants me to help her. She's got the little girl one that she's going to open when I open up Barbie here for her. There's Barbie.
I get her out.
Oh, good. It's got clothes that don't come off on her. Good. But we did buy some other clothes. 3 outfits here. But we're going to be getting some more stuff and doing more. This is just our first one.
I want to open these.
Okay, well, open it. Like this. You grab it here and you grab it here and you pull. There you go. What'd you get? We don't even know what it is. Oh, look, you got for your Barbie, you got a crown thing here.
Yeah,
Look.
here are shoes.
Yeah, and you got shoes. All right, we got shoes. All right, we're styling now. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, open it up. All right, now do it like this, like I showed you. What'd you get in that one? Hopefully you got something for Ken. Oh, you got more shoes and another thing? Okay.
We get stickers.
Well, she got this little one here. She wanted a little girl. She wanted a mommy and a toddler one.
Then she can wear that one.
Yeah, she can wear this one, huh?
She can wear these shoes.
Okay.
It's meant for her.
Let me see them.
She's going to be real. She got shoes.
So we got, they're all set up now. Yeah. All right.
I want help.
Help? Okay. What'd you get? I hope it's something different. All right, we got something different in this one.
I got some.
You got some sunglasses.
Yeah, for us.
And what else did you get?
She can wear them over here.
She got the sunglasses
Wow, look at
and what's this little thing? I'm not sure what this is.
Purse. It does a purse.
Oh, it's a purse for her?
She can have it for her hand.
For her hands?
She can walk home. That's so funny.
She got sunglasses and a purse too. All right. High five. We're doing good, huh?
I want if it's open.
Okay, I'll open it. Let me see it. It is open, look. That's what I was trying to get, but you wanted to open them.
I need the scissor.
No, you don't need scissors. Because you put them back in here when you're done playing with them. So you gotta take it out. Like so.
Got the boards.
Look at this. Oh, don't rip it out of my hand, please. Look.
Let's see, we got
It's
pants.
got pants
Let's see what you're
and a
wearing.
belt and a shirt.
Let me see yours.
Hold on, I gotta take it off the thing for you. Just hold on, please.
Here. Hey! Hey, honey. What are you doing, Mommy?
Do you want the pants on her?
Yeah.
Let me see her, please. We'll take her shoes off and put these pants on her. Well, don't worry, we'll put her shoes back on.
We got the gummy bear.
What do we need hot water for? We don't need hot water.
For her.
No.
Yeah. I'll tell you. Stuff is needed. Okay. Get me stuff. Hurry now. Here.
Clean up the little trash pieces, please. Put them back in their little bags. Let me see, sure, I'm gonna put it on her. Don't be taking stuff from me. Hold on, I'm trying to show you. Look.
Help.
Well, hold on. We got clothes for her. Very nice, huh? You can put the... Don't be yanking stuff from me. I'm trying to help you. I gotta put her shoes back on her.
I want to catch her. It's the trophy on it.
It's cool you got shoes for them.
Get this off, please.
So we got... I'll get it. Hold on.
Print stronger.
We got her all fixed up now. There you go. You got your little girly. She's got shoes. You gotta put them on her.
White number.
And then she's got her hair thing. Do me a favor, please. Do me a favor, pick up the pieces.
Mommy, what are you doing here? I want to have
Can I have them, please?
Yes.
Give them all here. The one over there. We're going to open up Ken.
Can I have the boy?
Here's that.
Here.
So we got a Ken doll too.
We're going to be naked.
But his shorts come off. But we got more outfits.
I want this one.
This one?
I want that one then.
The orange one?
Yeah, he wants to wear it.
Well, don't take your shorts off yet. Can you hand me these pieces? Please? Thank you. We gotta throw them away. We're gonna throw them out. Okay, so we're gonna open this one.
I want this back again. Because your chubby off there.
Hold on.
I want the chubby.
Let me get him dressed for you. So, there's Ken. We got him some clothes. He's got a trophy. That way he don't have to run around in swimming trunks all the time. We got another outfit too they can share. So there's your Ken. Oh, this one's got sunglasses for him.
You want to wear it? Here.
You got a whole family. You got a little girl. You got a father. You got a mother.
And a kid.
Here you go. Let me see him.
Thank you for sunglasses. He knows. Wait, my sunglasses?
He looks cool.
Wait, my sunglasses?
Put your sunglasses on.
Be hot. Where to? I can't. Can you trophy? Can you trophy?
Thank you.
You want it?
My trophy, thank you. Oh, I dropped it. I'll get it.
I got our headbands. You want our headbands, please? What's that? That's big. Yeah. win. Win?
Boy, it's a nice day out today.
Yeah.
Hi, how you
I
doing?
like my shoes.
Yeah, you like the shoes your mommy got you?
Yeah.
She got matching shoes with you.
Yay.
Yay!
Aya, aya, aya. You win now.
Alright, I'll open it.
Aya, aya. Change this off. Oh.
You want Ken in this outfit?
Yeah. You can wear a nice outfit. Here. Oh, sorry. I need to change. Make it. Oh, you can do it. Hurry now. Yeah, you stop. Don't stop. You need your trolley. Now. Wait. Come on, let's go. Okay. Come on. Okay. Put this one glasses on. It's not out there. Okay. I'm gonna put my hand. No, sunglasses.
Hey, what's up everybody? How you all doing today?
He's driving. Look at that. Put your sunglasses.
Oh, you got my shades, huh?
Or stuff is very stuff. This.
She needs some clothes.
She can be a woman as a queen. I want her shoes off. I can win. I'm going to win. I am win. It's your turn. This. I am a laser guy. It's Tommy with the bell. Okay, it's her turn.
Thank you for watching. We appreciate it. There will be more to come. We had fun. Have a great night, great day.